Yung, nagre-reflect practice ka? Hindi. Ako, magic yun. That's magic. In twos. Divided in twos. Ano ba yun? In twos. Kasi you're training your muscle, that finger, to hit that note cleanly. Then you try. Tapos, huwag mong pedala. Tapos change. Para, yan. Hindi kaya yan ng slow practice lang. Try it. Pero hindi pwedeng malino. Tsaka kailangan. If you practice with the wrong notes, then you'll train yourself wrong notes. Sandali. Tsaka, always loud. Always loud. Slow practice is always loud. Rhythmic practice is always loud. No dynamic. See? So, na-practice yun na para tumama doon. Right? Hindi ito sa... Tapos, so stop on the first and then stop on the second. Yan natin. Malakasan mo. Go rush. Huwag masyadong magalaw ang wrist. Again. So, okay, so go stop on the second. No, on the second. Ta-tan. Tan. Right. Slow lang. Right. Now, do it even. Loud. Right. Now, try not to show that you are changing position or changing outcome. Make that slow. Hindi maririnig. Kasi continuous na yan eh. So try to conceal that change of position. Sige. No. Connect mo. Connect mo yan. Connect. No. Connect. Hindi. Don't do that. A little bit more. Smooth. Right. Okay, now when you do your left hand, yung left hand mo, kasi mahirap na nga yung kanan, ito naman parang overpowering. There are three... Okay. How many layers are there here? How many? Hindi, tatlo yun. Tatlo. So yung top, yung tong base, kanya yan. Tapos, ito yung harmony. So, yung harmony, parating quiet. Kasi, kung kunwari, hirap pa na dito, tapos, then, you're overpowering that right hand, that's already hard enough. So, quiet lang yan, quiet. Diba, what I said? Pero the base, so this is the most important, this second important, this is the least important. So do it like that. Not everything equal importance. Sige, gawin mo. Sige. Focus. Sige. Down. Wag. Okay, now. Yeah, and then don't pedal the scale. Scales we don't pedal. Only in some instances, Mara, that you see, pwede yun, o kaya, it's some rare instance. But as a rule, you don't pedal a scale. Okay? So, over pedal naman. So, dito. Ito rin to practicing to all the passages. Now, anong pedal mo dito? I-change. What's the harmony here? Ano pong harmony dyan? E flat major, no? Eh, ito to. Ano to? Ano to?
Oh, so
Hindi ka na kailangan mag-change. As long as it's clean, you don't have to change. Sige, try mo. Try mo. Yeah, so, relax. Okay, now. Okay, now. So, parang dry yan, ano? Hirap, no? Ang gagawin mo dyan, the pianist here, do you know what a flutter pedal is? F-L-U-T-T-E-R. Flutter pedal? Hindi. Kasi sometimes pedal is not black or white, meaning or off or on or off. Sometimes it's in the middle. What is flutter pedal is that yung paa nyo nandito lang sa gitna. Kasi medyo dry yan, ano? So pwede kang mag-flutter pedal. Ang tanong, alam mo? Ito. Ganyan. So, pagka ano, so hindi madumi at hindi rin dry. So in the middle, that is a must. Pianists cannot survive without the flutter pedal. That's a more advanced pedal. You need that in advanced pieces. So itong ganyan, so medyo dry. So ito, pwede kang mag-flutter pedal dyan. Dyan. Tapos dito, kasi it's the same harmony, you can have, one. Yeah, tapos off. Kung malinis, if it's clean. I know it's hard yung flutter pedal sa ngayon, pero try it. So yung flutter pedal, don't let it go up to the top because it's not gonna be flutter pedal anymore because that's an off. Right? So trying to, see each piano pedal is different. So trying to figure out the middle. Now, when you use flutter pedal, you have to engage your ears. Say the whole line. If it's too muddy, then go higher. If you need a bit more, go lower. You always have to adjust. See, try it. But you have to learn how to do flutter pedal when you're playing at Chopin. Okay. Sige. Okay, ulit. So yung flutter mo dito, kasi medyo muddy, sa taas lang, kunti. There are degrees. Okay? Pero ang hirap nung kulang practice. So dito ka na lang. Dito. Solid ha. And also, pedal doesn't always work the same way. It depends on how you play. You can have one pedal for all the E flat major if your left hand is quiet enough. If it's too loud, that's not gonna work. Okay? Sige, try it. Go. Right? No, keep it. Yeah, keep it. Don't be afraid. Keep it. Right. Quiet. Right. See? Hindi madumi. Right? Then let it go. Let it go on that beat. Okay, so for that lines, those many lines, what did you learn? For you to be able to execute that passage, that tuloy-tuloy, do a rhythmic practice in twos. Even the next scale, in twos too. Okay, and then your left hand chord should be below your right hand material. And then in that passage where you have all the E flats, just one pedal, if it's clean. Then it will sound like a Chopin. Okay. Ang daming trabaho eh. Maraming dapat gawin. Okay. Okay, ikaw, natututo ka.